Hey, all you droniacs out there. Been a minute since we talked. Right now, we just finished up a flight over at Wisconsin Point. Mosquito, sorry. So, they have just came out in full force, so this might be a very quick video upload. And also, should be an awesome drive since I apparently forgot where I lived and left my tailgate open. So yeah, just to give you a quick little rundown, this here is the world's largest... Why is my camera's going wonky? I think mosquitoes are flying in front of the lens and throwing off the focus, or landing on the lens. So, like I was saying, this is the world's largest naturally occurring sandbar, and right now we are at the Superior entry to Lake Superior, the world's largest freshwater lake, or world's largest lake by surface area. Anyway, yeah, those mosquitoes, that's what's happening. Those mosquitoes, they're landing on my lens and throwing off my focus. I'm not liking that. So, anyway, just give you a quick little rundown. Like I was saying, we were chasing the sun, got some cool shots of the sunset, some boats coming in and out of the harbor, and then over on this side is... Sorry, these bugs are really getting to me. Over on that side, past those old homes, is docks for 1,000-foot ships that come and unload and load cargo and travel off to all parts of the world. And down there is, a lot of people like to go down there, have some bonfires at night, watch the sunset. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up because I'm getting just hammered by mosquitoes, and I will talk to you later. Have good flights. I know my phone is going all kinds of wonkiness, and I will talk to you later. Drone on, and watch out for mosquitoes.